Have you ever wanted something so badly that it felt like chasing a dream? That's exactly what happened with the Lenovo Legion Go 2. For months, this handheld gaming beast was sold out everywhere, and people were scrambling to get their hands on it. Some gave up, some waited, but I refused to quit. I chased it harder than anything else, and today I'm going to share the full story of how I finally snagged one. This isn't just about buying a gadget. It's about persistence, strategy, and the thrill of victory when you finally hold the device you've been dreaming about. If you've been searching for the Legion Go 2, this script is going to give you hope because I'll walk you through every step, every failed attempt, and the secret that eventually worked. Stick with me because this is the kind of story that every gamer can relate to. The Lenovo Legion Go 2 isn't just another handheld console. It's a revolution in portable gaming. For those who love the first Legion Go, the sequel feels like the ultimate upgrade. I was so hooked on the original that I sold all my consoles, yes, every single one, because the Legion Go gave me everything I needed. It became my loyal companion, both as a handheld and as a full PC. So when the Go 2 was announced back in October 2025, I knew I had to get it. But here's the catch. It wasn't easy. In fact, it was one of the hardest devices I've ever tried to buy. And that's what makes this story so powerful, because it shows just how much determination it takes to get something truly worth having. At first, I thought it would be simple. Walk into Best Buy on release day, grab one off the shelf, and walk out smiling. But reality hit me hard. The shelves were empty, the online store was sold out, and every attempt felt like hitting a wall. I even had friends, family, and coworkers checking websites for me, hoping to catch a restock. Nothing worked. And the worst part? The Legion Go 2 was only available through Lenovo's official site, or Best Buy. No other retailers, no shortcuts. Just two doors, both locked tight. That's when the chase really began. I tried everything. I refreshed websites for weeks, hoping to see that magical add to cart button. I joined Discord servers and Reddit threads, looking for leads. I even signed up for a Best Buy membership, paying $60 because an employee promised me it would give me early alerts. But guess what? 2 weeks went by, and I got 0 notifications. Nothing. It felt like a scam, like I had wasted my money. But I didn't give up. I kept asking employees, kept digging for information, and eventually learned something important. The UPS shipping truck comes in every Tuesday and Thursday. That detail changed everything. Think about it. Every time the truck arrives, Best Buy has to scan in the devices before they hit the shelves. That means there's a window of opportunity, a moment when the devices appear online before anyone even knows they're in stock. So I started watching the Best Buy website on Tuesday nights and Thursday nights. And finally, after weeks of frustration, I saw it. The Lenovo Legion Go 2 popped up online. My heart raced. I grabbed my credit card, moved faster than I ever had before, and secured the order. That was the moment I knew the chase was over. I had won. Now let's talk about why this device is worth all that effort. The Lenovo Legion Go 2 isn't just hype. It's a machine that can replace your console, your PC, and your travel setup all in one. It's powerful, versatile, and designed for gamers who want freedom. You can use it as a handheld, dock it for PC gaming, or take it on the go. In my opinion, it's one of the most versatile gaming machines ever made. And that's why people are chasing it so hard. It's not just about owning a gadget. It's about owning the future of gaming. But here's the thing. Getting one isn't easy. If you're still searching, you need to know the strategies. Don't waste time refreshing websites randomly. Focus on the shipping days. Tuesday nights and Thursday nights are your best bet. That's when the devices get scanned in, and that's when they pop up online. Be ready, have your payment details saved, and move fast. Because once they're gone, they're gone. And trust me, they sell out in minutes. I know the frustration. I know the feeling of watching others post their unboxing videos while you're still stuck waiting. I know the fear of prices going up, especially with RAM costs rising. But I also know the joy of finally holding the device in your hands. And that joy makes every struggle worth it. The Lenovo Legion Go 2 is more than just a gaming machine. It's a symbol of persistence, of chasing what you love, and of never giving up. So here's my advice. If you want one, don't quit. Keep watching, keep trying, and use the strategy once shared. It worked for me, and it can work for you. And when you finally get it, you'll understand why I sold all my consoles. You'll understand why I call this device all I need. Because once you have the Lenovo Legion Go 2, you won't want anything else. This is the kind of story that gamers live for. The chase, the struggle, the victory. And now, it's your turn. Go out there, use the strategy, and snag your Lenovo Legion Go 2. Because trust me, it's worth it. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.